So to calculate u, we will ignore the column of y1 because u is with y1, so we will ignore this column. So we get these 4 terms. So we cross multiply, that is we take the determinant of this 4 term, which is y2 into y3 dash minus y2 dash into y3. Similarly, we need to find v. To find v is with y2, so we will ignore the column of y2. So we will ignore this column and we get these 4 terms. So we cross multiply this, we get y1 into y3 dash, these 2 terms, minus y3 into y1 dash. After this we find w. W is with y3, so we will ignore this column and we get these 4 terms, which is y1 into y2 dash minus y2 into y1 dash. So these are the formula of u, v and w. So after this we just going to substitute this, and this x is nothing but this term, which is cosecant x. So x is cosecant x. So we substituted all these terms, and d we have calculated it as 1. y2 into y3 dash. What is y2? y2 is cos x. Cos x into y3 dash. y3 dash is also cos x. So cos x into cos x is cos square x minus y2 dash. y2 dash is this term into y3. So minus sin x into sin x will be minus sin square x, and this minus come plus, so it is nothing but sin square x into x. X is cosecant x into dx. Sin square x and cos square x nothing but 1, so 1 upon 1 will be 1, so it is nothing but integration of cosecant x dx. What is integration of cosecant x? Integration of cosecant x is nothing but log of cosecant x minus cot x. So you should remember this formula. So this is our u. After this we calculate v. So we have negative sign, so we can take this negative sign inside, so it will be minus and this will be plus. So here we have y1 into y3 dash, this negative sign. y1 is 1 into y3 dash, y3 dash is cos x, plus y3 is sin x into y1 dash is 0. So 0 into sin x is 0 upon d, and this integration into x is cosecant x dx. d is 1. We get minus cos x into cosecant x dx. So cosecant x is nothing but 1 upon sin x. So cos x upon sin x is nothing but cot x dx. So what is integration of cot x? Integration of cot x is nothing but log of sin x. So these are the direct formula. So this is our v. So after finding v, we need to calculate what is w. W is nothing but integration of y1 into y2 dash. y1 is this and y2 dash is minus sin x. So minus sin x minus y2. y2 is cos x into y1 dash is 0 into cosecant x dx upon dd is 1. So this minus sign can be taken outside, so we get minus integration of sin x, and cosecant x can be written as 1 upon sin x into dx. So sin x will get cancelled, we get minus integration of dx. So integration of dx is nothing but x. So this is our w. So after finding u, v and w, what we are going to do, we are just going to substitute u, v and w in this equation of yp. So we get yp equal to u. So what is u? u is nothing but log of cosecant x minus cot x. So log of cosecant x minus cot x plus v. What is v? v is minus log of sin x. So v is minus log of sin x into this cos x plus w. w is nothing but minus x into sin x. So this is our yp, and the final solution will be y equal to yc plus yp. And this is how we solve the problem on method of variation of parameters. Other type of problems we will see in our next video, so stay tuned for our future lectures.